Hey everybody, Michael Mowbray here. I'm a master photographer and the owner of MoLight. What I want to show you today is something I'm really excited about. It's the brand new MoLight X1 transmitter and how it works the brand new AD362 TTL Super Flash and the TT685 TTL Speedlight. So let's take a look at this wonderful system. I'll run through some of the key features and how to use it, and hopefully it'll send you on your merry way to making better light and better flash photography out there. So let's take a look at the X1. Here's the X1 transmitter. Very well designed, robust, very easy to read, LCD screen on the back. Just turn it on the side. And then now you're into the menu system. Once you're into the menu system, you see it automatically comes up with A, B, and C on TTL. Let's take a look at how we can change the different modes and how we can have you adjust your lights easily on the fly. Alright, as you can see over here on the side, we've got CH for channel, GR for group, and then mode. Channel just tells you what channel you're transmitting on, so you need to make sure that, right here, I'm on channel 1. So then any flash that you have on the system also needs to be on channel 1. What do I mean by that? It has to be on the MoLight system, or it has to be a MoLight flash on channel 1. If you're just using a regular Canon 600, the channel 1 will not work because they speak on a different system. Okay? You can use a Canon 600 or a Canon 580 EX2, or on the Nikon side, you can use an SB 900, 910, or 700 with this system. Defaults to A, B, and C. So you can set each flash on its own group. Group A, Group B, Group C. Turn the wheel on the side here, and that cycles you through the different groups. If I want to change A, I tap the group, and then I can turn things up and down in third stop increments, and this is in TTL. I can go to each group, I can lock it in by hitting GR again. Now I can go back and cycle through the groups. I want to change C, I can turn it up and down using the same wheel. Lock it in here. What about manual? Hit your mode. It goes to the manual mode, same thing. I can go to group A, hit the GR button, and turn things down in third stop increments in manual as well. Lock it in, go to C, turn that up, go to A, go to B, hit GR again to be able to turn things up and down. The third level here on mode is still manual, but it's setting everything to the same setting, so you can make all your A, B, and C go up and down simultaneously to start off with, or you can start to control them individually from there. It's an interesting little feature, and not one I use a lot, but if you want to start off with all your flashes at the same setting, that's what you can do. Now here's the special thing. This is what I use all the time. I'm going to pop back over here. If you're using a 5D Mark III or any Canon camera that's been made since 2012, that's using a brand new TTL system. What that allows you to do is use 5 groups. Anything older than 2012, so 5D Mark II and things like that, they can only allow you to use 3 groups. So if you're using a 5D Mark III, you have another setting that you can use on this, and you can go up to 5 groups. Let's come back over here. Remember our handy dandy little mode button here? We're going to take it back to the ABC TTL. It's the first part of mode. And if we do a long press on this, look what happens. It flips into A, B, C, D, and E. Now, why this is important is I can easily go in and say A, I'll go group here. Now I'm on A, I can go TTL, I can hit mode again, I can go manual, I can turn it off. TTL, mode, or manual, off. That's all using the mode. So I want to go TTL here. I want to adjust it. I hit my group button. I can turn that up and down. I can lock it in. Now I can go to B. Now B, I want that to be in manual. Now once I'm here in B, I can still hit mode and turn it off, turn it to TTL, turn it to manual. And say I want to work with that in manual. Maybe it's a kicker light I want to use. I want to shoot that in manual and I want my key light to be in TTL. I can go to that and turn the power up and down. If I'm in C, hit mode, I can go to TTL, I can go to manual, or I can turn it off. It's great features. Great features to be able to use 5 different groups. Gives you the opportunity to do more complex lighting setups. You can mix TTL and manual together using the MoLight AD362, the TT685, the brand new V862. Those will all work together in this system. You can also use newer Canon and Nikon speed lights as long as you add on the X1 receiver. And we'll talk about that in the next video. So again, X1 transmitter will talk to the built-in radio system that's in the AD362, the TTL flash. It does TTL manual. It'll talk to the TT685 speed light, both for Canon, Nikon, and soon for Sony. And then also the brand new V860 TTL lithium ion flash that's coming out and we'll have in stock fairly soon. So X1 transmitter, super-de-duper-de cool thing. Allows you to control the power up and down from the camera. Allows you to mix TTL and manual all from one simple little transmitter.